Can you hear it? I'm in the ocean. I'm at the ocean right now. Hear it? I'm in Salinas, I think. Look at the stars. Can you see the stars? You can't really see the stars. Look at that. There goes a Y shape. I'm scared of fucking coyotes out here. This shit crazy. Look at that. I can see even better. Damn, that shit's nice. Damn, man. Hey, this shit, man, the ocean is way more powerful than you think. It's loud. It's hella like calm. It's quiet but loud. I can see all the ripples, like all the white tides for coming in. I'm not getting any closer. I'm like five seconds away from like downhill, so I don't want to go any further because I don't know what's down there. It's just my first time here. No, what the fuck? There might be a fucking Loch Ness monster down there. Be like, come here, so I eat you. What the fuck? But y'all hear it? Yeah, that's the ocean right there. Damn, that's nice. Hear it? It's saying, Rob, come and jump into the water. Swim as far as you can. There's gold in this ocean. Come and get it. Man. And I guess the Pacific Ocean is one of the coldest oceans in the world. So I don't know if there's sharks in here, but there could be. Just think about it. What if there's a Loch Ness monster? Or like a megalodon out there? Damn. Or like the giant octopus, the Kraken. Or just Moby Dick. Because there is a real great white orca. Damn, look at that. Hey, I want to go close to it so bad. Come to the ocean. Come inside the ocean. Oh, man. Now I'm looking for like fucking coyotes out here. This shit crazy. Look, they have baseball things out here. I don't know what this is for. It's something. But this is nice. Hear it? Look at the stars. You can't see the stars, but look at them. See the stars? Those are all the stars in the sky. This is the ocean sound. I want to leave. I'll come back tomorrow morning. And man, this is crazy nice out here. You can hear that shit. Ah, man, it's so tempting.